Hello, welcome to SHREE RSC classes. So today we will learn about mixed fraction to improper fraction conversion. So first of all, let's try to understand the concept with the help of an example. So for example, let's say the fraction is 5 whole 3 over 5. Now, according to the rule, we will always start from the denominator, which is 5, and then we will move on into the clockwise direction. So first rule is that you will multiply this 5 which is in the denominator with this whole number. So this is the first step. The step number 1 is to multiply the 5 with the 5. And if you do so, you'll get 25. Now whatever answer you are getting, you need to add that up into the top number which is your numerator. This is the second step. Step 2 is to add the answer, which is 25, into the top number, which is your numerator, and then you'll get 28. And this is how your numerator will become 28 and the denominator stays the same, which is 5. So 25 over 8 will be your answer. I'll repeat. First step is to multiply the denominator with the 5 with the whole number. This is the step 1. Whatever answer you are getting, just add that answer into the top number to get the top number of the improper fraction. And this is how you convert any mixed fraction into an improper fraction. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.